Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Annie. Today I would like to introduce a product to all of you, LED linear light. The size is 1.2 meters, power is 30 watts. Double safety structure design, ensure directing and does not drop. Select 12 quickly matures, long lifetime. Anti-glare design and comfortable for eyes. Low voltage operation to ensure electric stored safety. Maintain the accuracy freedom lighting combination. We have strict quality control measures. Each lamp undergoes an 8-hour aging test before being shipped. This kind of linear magnet lamp is fashionable. Wireless lamp, it is modern lamp to meet picture design concept. It is an ideal choice for office, showrooms, specialty stores, hotels, villas, clubs, and other space. Do you like it? Thank you.